Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add patients, clients to your waitlist for your appointmentfiller.com waitlist management system. So I'm on the main dashboard here, and this is where your front desk staff, your schedulers, they're going to spend their time here. And the nice thing about our system is it works side by side with whatever scheduling system you have. There's no data to sync between the two. It's very simple, efficient, and straightforward. And we consider our waitlist contacts kind of self-managed. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So the process would be a patient calls in, they schedule an appointment. Unfortunately, maybe it's a few weeks out, maybe even a month or two out, and they say, hey, could you please put me on your wait list in case there's a cancellation and there's an opportunity to get an earlier appointment. So you're just going to click the add to wait list. You're going to ask for that customer's mobile number. It needs to be mobile because our system is text message based. You're going to put their name in. Again, there's no syncing between your scheduling. It's a simple phone and name. And then you select their preferred provider. So it could be all the providers. It could just be a few. So you decide what it is. I'm going to pick 2 here. And they'll only receive alerts for open appointments for those providers. So let me just hit add to waitlist. And you're going to see up here on the dashboard that waitlist contacts increased by 1. But the key here is that customer, that patient also got a text message. And this is what that would look like. And this is key because this is the confirmation that they know they've been actually added to a wait list and that you have a system, this builds trust. And the self-managed part, there's an opt-out link on that text message. And when they click it, it's going to take them over to a page where they can see, here's the opt-out for the Chester County Family Medicine. Obviously, this would be your business name, and an opportunity to remove themselves from the wait list. So it doesn't delete them from your contacts, but it does make them inactive, meaning they're not going to receive alerts. And this might be, if the appointment came and went, their original appointment came and went, and they no longer need this alert, they can just self-manage and remove themselves. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that and show you what that looks like. So let's jump back to the main dashboard, and you'll see that the active waitlist count went back down to 3. So if I jump over into the contacts menu, and this is where you can manage all your contacts if you need to, you'll see that this Carl Turner, they're still in the system, but they're no longer active. And you can always edit them and make them active again. And once you make someone active again and hit update, it's going to send another confirmation text message to say that they've been activated. And this would happen if that person calls back, a couple weeks later or months later and says, hey, I'd like to schedule another appointment. Hey, could you also put me on your wait list? So let me jump back over to the main dashboard again. Let's say that happens. A year goes by, that same person calls and schedules an appointment, and they'd like to be added to the wait list again. If I take their phone number and I go to enter them in, it's going to detect that they're already in the contact list. And this way you don't have to re-enter them. So you can just view it, confirm it, say, yep, these are your 2 providers, or you can change it and say, yeah, now you want to select all providers, hit save, and then again, it adds them to the active list and it resends a text message. The other part of the self-manage is once you post an appointment, and if that contact actually claims that appointment, they're automatically removed from the contact list, meaning they've accepted appointment. It's likely that they don't need to know about additional appointments. You can turn that setting off over in your account settings here, where it says deactivate contacts after claiming an appointment. It's on by default, but if for some reason your business model, maybe it makes sense to have that off where patients, clients aren't automatically removed from the wait list, you can just hit edit and you can disable that feature and they'll stay on the wait list. If you have any questions, give us a call, shoot us an email. Thanks.